Snowfall has come as a blessing for the Kashmir Valley, so much so that last some time people had started to pray for precipitation. Last 3-4 months were bone dry, not a drop of snow or rain. So that had led to shortage of water supply sources had begun to dry up, and to add to that you had AQI levels. Now AQI is something that previously was never discussed when it comes to Kashmir. Always this mountain air here was considered to be pure oxygen, but gone are those days, and right now the situation was that the air quality index had slipped into severe category. So snow was something that would really act as a relief on all those counts, and that's exactly what has happened. Snowfall has happened, and right now we are in Gulmarg, which has turned overnight into a winter paradise, and around me you could be seeing lovely visuals of a white carpet of snow everywhere. And as I said, this has come as a relief on multiple counts, and also for the tourism industry that has struggled through 2025 for all the wrong reasons. Kashmir has been in the news. So right now everyone was banking for a good snowfall to happen, because this will act as a right advertisement for Kashmir tourism. That's exactly what has happened. Now you have tourists who have come in huge numbers now, and this, as I said, will only give a flip to the tourism season. And with New Year and in fact holiday time around the corner, so people are expected now to come to Kashmir, considering the stunning scenery and visuals that there are right now. But yes, for the locals, the cold wave is only going to get intensified, because now that it has snowed, and once the skies clear and blue skies come in, night temperatures are going to plummet, and you'll see more freeze and more defreeze as far as Kashmir is concerned. So that's going to increase the issues, problems for the people, for the natives. But yes, on multiple other counts, this has come as a blessing and a timely snowfall, considering, as I said, the long dry spell, the AQI levels, the shortage of water, and more importantly for the tourism season, which sees this as the right advertisement, as people will see snow and more people will throng to Kashmir, to Gulmarg, to other the tourism destinations, and we'll see much needed boost for Kashmir tourism, which has been struggling through 2025. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Gulmarg for India Today.